Hey everyone, how are you guys? Welcome to today's video. I have been talking about doing this video on my Instagram for a long time, and the day has finally come. We are organizing my script stickers. I don't have any organization for my scripts. They pretty much just kind of stay in this pile and they've started to accumulate. I was keeping it in the front of my other sticker organizer. Let me pull this in really quick. So I have my character and icon stickers in this organizer. The bins are from Five Below. The dividers are from Amazon. I always have them linked in my storefront. So one pack of the dividers came with these colors here, the green, blue, pink, purple, and white. So I used those for my icons. And then I had these left over for a long time. I just never used these colors, but I figured, you know what? I have these tabs. I might as well use them to organize my scripts. So yeah, again, from Five Below. These are from Amazon. That will be linked. I can try to link the bin as well. But yeah, that's pretty much the gist of it. If you guys want to see me organize all of my script stickers that I have here, please stay tuned. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you enjoy. Stick around and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you do enjoy it and you want to see more videos like this. And if you want to, you can follow me on Instagram as well. I decided to take these little sticker labels that came with the dividers. They gave you a black and a white. I used the white for the primary color ones. And I did the letters. So I decided to organize my script alphabetically. Alphabetically seems the easiest to organize. And then if you guys are curious, I just kept some of these journaling cards. I have vellum back here as well and some sticker sheets. I am just keeping these back here to kind of keep things propped up. Otherwise, if the bin is empty, it just keeps falling. So I'm going to keep them there for now, just to have everything sit upright a little bit more while I do the video. So I am not sure how to go about this. In my mind, I feel like I should organize them first and then put them in. But at the same time, maybe we just kind of go through it. I also have so many date dots as well. And there's probably things in here that aren't scripts, like journaling card. So I'm going to go through and I guess just try to organize things. Oh my gosh, look at all these freebies that are not scripts, but maybe we'll just start, right? Here we have some Daves of the week. So I organized these tabs into two letters each. So A and B go here, C and D, E and F, so on and so forth. But the last tab that I did, I just did WXYZ, only because I don't think we're going to have that many scripts within that letter. So when I look at this, I think of date covers. So I'm going to put this in D for date covers. I just realized this page is too big. It's going to cover it. Okay, we're going to go with it for now. These are work stickers, so that's going to go in W. Right, we have date dots. I think I'm going to put my date dots in the front for now because they're technically not a script, you know? All right, so all of these stickers, I use these in my health and wellness journal. I don't want to have to flip to different sections to find all of these. So I'm actually going to also keep these in the front. I know, it doesn't really make sense. We have weekend banners. We have clean the house. That one's easy. That is a C. So we'll put that here. This week. See, when you have something like this week, do you put it under T or under W? I think I'm going to put it under T, honestly, because when I say it, I need a this week sticker. And then we have monthly stickers. So I'm going to put that under M. We have more date dots. I'm just going to put these to the side for now. With Nat, which is my friend, I think I'm just going to put that under N for Nat, or my friend Natalie. More days of the week. That's going to go here. See, these are not scripts. More days of the week. We have These are date covers, I should say, but I'm still going to put them under D. Here's another sampler. This is with Rob, so I'm going to put that under R, just for Rob. More of these abbreviated days of the week here, so let's put that in there. We have to-dos, monthly. Sampler, holidays, can go there. You guys, I finished putting away my scripts. I thought I had a lot more. There might be more somewhere, but that was like the main pile of scripts. So they're all organized, but as you guys can see, a lot of the sheets are actually too tall and they're covering up the dividers. So I am in a predicament. Do I cut these sheets, like these large sheets? Do I cut them in half? A big part of me wants to, because there's no point in having dividers if I can't see them, right? Like see them all at once. So if I need like a monthly sticker, like I still have to dig through all these to find the M. Where's the M? Which is right here. And that's kind of annoying. So I think I need to go through and cut these. Like this actually, I can just cut right here. So if I did that, like, I'm just going to use this as an example. These I actually used up, so I don't mind cutting these. I don't know. What do you guys think? Yeah, see? Now it's okay. And for some of these, maybe if I got rid of the edge only, like, what if I folded this down? Would that cover it still? Actually, okay, cutting the edge on some of these might be the move. Let's just go through how I organized it. In the front here, we have pretty much date dots and any type of sampler. So like this is a script sampler, so I can't really organize these. So I'm just going to put them up here, and I'll probably organize these into like a reusable sticker book later on. But in the front here, I just have some date dots from Perky's Papery, all of my Temple of Crafts ones as well, and more from Perky's Papery. So these are all just date dots. And then we're just going to go into the actual filing system. So A to B, we have just a few sheets, budgeting and best day ever. C to D, we have everything from cleaning, dentist appointment, mostly date covers. So it's days of the week, things like that. Chick-fil-A, clean the house, but mostly days of the week. All right, and then we go into E to F, just family scripts. We have GH with groceries. Oh, this is, I don't know how this got in here. Why would it be under G? I'm not sure why that's there, but we'll leave that to the side. But G has, oh wait, holidays. Is that why I put that in here? Maybe because it's for holidays? Yeah, I think that's why I put that in there. So we have holidays, grocery stickers. IJ, just one sheet in my feelings. KL, this is for my niece. MN, we have a lot of monthly stickers, mostly monthly stickers, and then some of my friends' stickers, meal stickers, but mostly monthly. Oh, we have McDonald's as well. OP, we have payday and oil change. And Pilates. Oh, Pilates I did. Oh, that one I cut off the top. QR, we have my boyfriend and running errands. ST, we have steps to do this week. Take a nap. Oh, this is a sampler, but a lot of them are this week. I might have to cut this up too. All right, so since this is a sampler, I'm going to put it up at the front. Target run here, and then we have UV, which is nothing so far, and then we have WXYZ. A lot of these are going to be work stickers, weekend stickers. We have wax appointment. This is the only sheet I did cut in half, but these are from Perky's Papery. Walk the dogs, and then I actually moved these stickers to the back here. These are the stickers again that I use in my health planner. So yeah, that is my new script organization. Not very new because I use this organization with my icons and characters. If you guys have been around, you've seen this. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram. And other than that, if you have any questions, leave them down below. But I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.